Hello everyone, welcome to a new chapter from academic writing. This is me Sufna Sevio from the Department of English, Carmel College, Mala. Today we are going to discuss the second unit of the book Academic Writing, Genres and Types of Academic Writing. Which are the different genres of academic writing? Essay, research paper, proposals, case study, dissertation, literature review, methodology recount, critical analysis or critique, thesis, research report or paper, book review and lab report. These are some of the genres of academic writing. So first let's look into essays. An academic essay is written to answer a question or to defend an argument or opinion on a topic with supporting evidence. In exams also you may have asked you to write an essay about something. So essay is something which is about a question or to defend. We write an essay to defend an argument or opinion on a topic with supporting evidence. It is important to understand the meaning of the instructional word in essay questions. When you get an essay question, there would be an instructional word in that. So which are the instructional words in some essay questions? Usual instructional words found in essay questions: analyze, contrast, describe, elaborate, explain, outline, assess, critically analyze, discuss, evaluate, illustrate, state, compare, define, distinguish between, examine, justify, and summarize. These are some of the instructional words used in essay questions. Structure of an essay. It contains three types of paragraph: an introductory paragraph, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So in the introduction, the thesis or the main point of the essay is presented, whereas in the body paragraphs, the main idea is developed through subtopics and evidence. And in the conclusion, we rephrase the main points and give some concluding remarks. This is how we structure an essay. Academic essays usually follow areas are grouped together in their order of importance in a chronological sequence. A 5-paragraph essay is considered as the simple format of an essay. An introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. This is the simple format of a 5-paragraph essay, where there would be an introduction paragraph and there would be 3 body paragraphs and a concluding paragraph. Second one is research paper or article. It provides detailed information on a topic through different sections like literature review, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. You may have heard about writing a research paper or writing an article for a journal. So what it provides detailed information on a topic through different sections like literature review, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. There are subtle differences in the method of study, sequence, and writing style of papers in humanities, social science, and sciences. Research papers are written strictly following certain styles of presenting sources and evidence to support the arguments or finding on the paper. The most popular documentation styles in subjects under humanities is MLA style, modern language association style. So when you start writing an essay or a research paper or an article for a journal, you need to follow some specific style. So if you are writing an essay or a research paper in literature, then definitely you need to follow the MLA style because it comes under the humanities subject. So you have to follow MLA, a modern language association style. And in social sciences, research scholars usually follows APA style, that is American Psychology Association style. That is another kind of style. Chicago Manual of Style is another style guide used in academic writing. Some institutions like universities of Oxford and Cambridge and Harvard insist on following their own style for scholars writing for their publications. So when you prepare for these journals published by universities of Oxford or Cambridge or Harvard, you need to follow a specific style put forward by these institutions. You can't follow APA style or MLA style, but another style given by these institutions themselves. Third one is proposal. A proposal is what you present to explain objectives, purpose, and methodology and detailed plan of a project you are going to undertake. So you are going to present something, you are going to do a new plan, a future plan, and you want to convince the funding agency that this is what I'm going to do. So you need to present a proposal, you need to give the future plan, you need to give the outline of the future plan. You need to give the design of what you are going to do. So that is what is termed as proposal. The main purpose of proposal writing practice is to demonstrate one's ability to plan a future action. So it is not about something which happened or something which is happening, but which is going to happen. Elements of a proposal: there would be a cover letter, a title page, objectives, introduction which explains the background and significance of the study, and the methodology, detailed plan of action, availability of resources, and details of financial assistance required or proposed budget. If you are presenting your plan to a funding agency, definitely you need to include this part, that is proposed budget, because it is only after the presentation of this proposal you will get the required amount for this project. Fourth one, case study. Case study uses the method of analyzing sample cases, real or imaginary crises, hypothetical situations to demonstrate how they are handled or resolved, while subjects like medical science use real cases to facilitate learning. So in case study, an individual or an incident is taken into consideration to study about that. Hypothetical cases or problems are analyzed in social sciences to prepare you to face real life problems. So in social sciences they make study about hypothetical situations, imaginary situations, in order to make the people ready for the real life situations. Most often the case study assignments ask you to solve a problem. The word case in case study refers to an individual, situation or problem. The individual situation may be an issue involving an individual or an organization. So it could be about an individual, or it could be about any problem which is concerning the humankind. It could be imaginary or real, but it must have something associated with the humankind. Which are the steps involved in writing a case study? Describing, identifying, analyzing, and giving. Describing the situation, identifying the issues to be resolved, analyzing the case using theories and approaches relevant to the discipline, giving recommendations or suggesting a series of steps to solve the problem in the best possible way. These are the 4 steps involved in writing a case study. Which are the common sections in case studies? Introduction, objectives or aims of the study, background or history, methodology, review of literature, results, discussion, recommendations, and conclusion. These are some of the steps involved in case studies. Actually, there is no particular way to write a case study, but this is the common way to, or common format to write a case study. So with this, we can wind up today's class. Thank you. Have a good day.